How to add link to Instagram bio. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Instagram app. And from here, click on your profile icon at the bottom right and tap on edit profile right here. Okay, so this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, instead of going to the bio and pasting in the link here, that would not do it because the link would not be clickable. So go back to the previous page and we are going to tap on add links. From here, tap on add link and you will then get your URL. Now, if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. Make sure that your URL looks like this. So I'm just going to copy it from my notes. Click on copy link. And once you have your link already and copied, you will then go back to the Instagram app, paste in your URL, tapping on the space and tap on paste. And you will then add a title like website or YouTube link, something like that based on the URL that you pasted in. Tap on done at the top right and it will then look like this in your bio and your profile visitors will be able to click on it, and that is how you can basically add link to Instagram bio.